Vrishchikasana is never easy, and a lot of people, they really struggle, and it takes a lot of time to develop very good arm strength, and when you have very tight shoulders, it's very challenging to maintain it. All the asana is like anyone will get benefit only when they are maintaining that yoga pose, Thiram Sukham Asanam. So to fulfill this condition of Maharishi Patanjali, we use Vayavya Yoga, and Vayavya Vrishchikasana is most amazing yoga pose, very easy and delivers you benefit very quickly. I am showing you right now. So you need to sit into hammock. Any post-operative patient or someone who has spinal surgery, they should avoid it. Person with hypertension, they should take consent. Once you are in this hammock, you need to inhale, and while exhaling, just go down and place your elbow on the ground like this. Make sure you keep on breathing. Stretch yourself. You can also do this one. Once you maintain for around 2 minutes, come back and take proper rest in Shavasana. Rest is very, very important post any yoga pose. It's called HRV, heart rate variation. Once you finish your 2 to 5 minutes in rest, recover, come back. If you are consistent with Vayavya Vrishchikasana, eventually you will improve your arm strength, and you can manage what kind of load you want to provide on your body. That's very technical, and our teachers are pro into this. So there are a lot of hooks around here. According to someone's height and weight and strength and mobility, we manage it, and it requires skill and experience. That is what we deliver during our courses and classes. So if you really want to achieve some of the benefits, and if you think this kind of yoga pose will take so many years to achieve, you can come to us. Within few days you will have benefit of those yoga poses, and with the benefits you will have improved practice. And it's an epidemic of early aging. We have to prevent a lot of medical challenges which is happening all across the globe. A lot of doctors, they are telling us the practices which happens at Excel Yoga School, that is medically and technically very, very accurate. And this kind of practices provides very important and effective solutions during this epidemic of early aging. Bye bye.